How to set mobile hotspot data limit on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you set mobile hotspot data limit on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option cellular. Alright, so simply from here, make sure that you have turned on the mobile data connection or cellular data on your iPhone. So simply from here, tap on cellular data. Alright, so simply choose your desired SIM card to turn on the cellular data. Alright, so after you turn on this, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option personal hotspot. Alright, so after you come on the personal hotspot section, you'll be able to see the options like maximize compatibility. So from here, you'll have to turn on this feature from here. So after you turn on this feature from here, you'll be able to set the mobile hotspot data limit on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.